everyone. Today I am going to speak about PCOS. PCOS and PCOD has literally become like an epidemic in India because we see every other girl suffering from PCOS. Let's know what is PCOS. PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovary Syndrome. It is common among women of reproductive age. It causes infrequent or prolonged bleeding. It also increases the amount of male hormone, that is androgens. In PCOS, the ovaries develop small follicles which fail to release an egg. Let me explain how this actually happens. First of all, it's not a disease. It is a constellation of symptoms put together. Understand this, the brain makes GnRH, that is gonadotropin releasing hormone, which goes into the bloodstream to the pituitary gland, which then releases two hormones, that is follicle stimulating hormone, that is FSH, and luteinizing hormone, that is LH. Now these travel into the bloodstream to the ovary and cause maturation of a few follicles. This also causes estrogen release and the lining of the uterus starts building up. One of the follicles, which is more dominant, is released. This matures and produces an egg, whereas the other follicles disintegrate. The egg is released and the corpus luteum produces progesterone, which has a negative feedback effect on GnRH release. This negative feedback causes a reduction in the release of GnRH, that is gonadotropin releasing hormone, which I first explained, which starts in the brain. Now this egg travels into the uterus, where if it is fertilized, it becomes into an embryo. If not, the woman gets her periods. In PCOS, there is an abnormal release of GnRH from the brain, which causes a miscommunication, due to which there is an increase in luteinizing hormone and there is a reduction in follicle stimulating hormone release. Low levels of follicle stimulating hormone causes the follicles to not mature and it doesn't ovulate. Since the corpus luteum is not formed, there is no surge in progesterone, due to which these follicles fail to ovulate and form cysts. This is exactly PCOS. And the increase in the amount of luteinizing hormone also causes an increase in the male sex hormone, that is androgen and testosterone. This has symptoms such as hirsutism, that is facial hair growth, acne, irregularity in periods, that is either not getting periods for a prolonged time or getting very scanty periods. It also lead to hyperinsulinemia, infertility, mood changes and irritability. Pancreas release insulin and insulin plays a very important role in this. Women suffering from PCOS are hyperinsulinemic, that is they are already pre-diabetic and prone to get diabetes. The pancreas release more of insulin and these affect the cells in the ovaries and it also causes more of androgen. Now more of androgens creates less sensitivity to insulin. So to deal with this less sensitivity to insulin, the pancreas produces even more insulin. More insulin produces more androgens. So are you able to picture this? This is like an entire vicious cycle. If you are suffering from PCOS, you need to make certain lifestyle changes, diet modifications, get good amount of exercise, help to manage your stress levels and good amount of sleep. Your gynaec could put you on a birth control pill, which can help to regularize your periods, at the same time reduce your testosterone levels. You are also given a metformin, which will help to improve your insulin sensitivity. PCOS is literally like an epidemic in India. We see every other girl suffering from PCOS, and this is a pre-diabetes condition which later on develops into diabetes. This is mostly lifestyle related, so you need to make certain lifestyle changes. You need to stop indulging in junk food and processed food. It is a hormonal problem and it is a hyperandrogenic condition where there is an increase in the amount of male hormones and a reduction in the amount of female hormones. This causes a hormonal imbalance or a miscommunication between the pituitary and the ovaries. If you are suffering from any of these symptoms and looking for diet and lifestyle modification, then I can help you out with the same. Please get in touch to know how I can make a personalized diet plan just for you to help you manage PCOS. Found this useful? Let me know in the comments below and please share it with your friends. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.